Hi everyone, welcome to the Children's Creativity Museum. I'm Justine.
And I'm Berta, and we are so excited to introduce you to a special art project that brings together creativity, culture, and community.
This project is called Kahayagan, a word from the Hiligaynon language of the Philippines that means clearness, visibility, and making things known.
Through these powerful in person and online installations, you will meet inspiring Filipino American individuals whose stories have helped shape our communities in health, the arts, activism, education, and more.
Kahayagan was created in partnership with the South of Market Community Action Network and local artists Wilfred Galila and Ramon Bonifacio as part of Imagine, Create, Share, creative expression and storytelling with Asian American and Pacific Islander children and families.
The project was made possible through the specified General Fund for the Museum Grant Program, supported by the California Cultural and Historical Endowment.
So get ready to learn, reflect, and be inspired by Kahayagan.
I remember when I was in college, there was I was already in that kind of like a group of people when we were told like, embrace who you are, I know we want you to, assimilate, but of course I had my accent then. Maybe I wasn't as proficient in English, so I, made some of that mistakes. But I felt like, you have to embrace that. And one of the things that I also did at that time that I think really made me really embrace my being a bicultural and also bilingual person in the United States was I volunteered as a translator at Stanford Hospital. And at that time, I realized how much language is very important.
What makes Filipino Advocates for Justice unique is that not only are we interested in meeting the immediate needs of the people, in this case young people, but also young adults and elders, caregivers, but we give them the tools needed to be leaders and to create change in their communities, to improve conditions for others.
Look who's defining the next wave. It's this current wave of young teachers that I'm really hopeful about. They're the ones telling the world, hey, there's a space called Galing Bata, and it's really beautiful. It's helping us thrive. I am a product of this wonderful program. Look, there is so much more that we can do. So they're defining how caring should be. In a way, I think Galing Bata is part of a big network of culturally sensitive entities that are defining this is what childcare is about. This is how children should be nurtured. Yeah. This is how you raise multicultural children. This is how you provide that space, not only for their families. So I think that's the investment that we want, because they're the ones who are going to take care of these things in the future. They're the ones who will hold these values, take it to heart, and teach the next generation.
Thank you for watching this brief excerpt of the many memories captured during the course of this project. We hope you were moved and inspired by the stories and artwork featured in Kahayagan.
There's so much to explore, teachers and students. Be sure to check out the resources and activities on the webpage below, www.creativity.org.
Whether you want to dive deeper into Filipino American history, create your own storytelling art, or start a conversation in your classroom,
you'll find everything you need right here. We can't wait to see how you imagine, create, and share your own stories.
And with that, we say
Thank you!
Or as we say in Tagalog, maraming salamat po.
Gitara ko ay aking dadalhin upang sa ulap na lang tayo'y magkantahan.